6-week update and we've got flappy wings. Hello, birdies. Where's our other bird? Found him. This one was halfway down my back. And one of these little goobers has developed a habit of biting my ear already, which is lovely. Don't you start, Rico. But yeah, they're very coordinated. They've got their full feathers, full colours now. 2 have been adopted. One of these is has a deposit paid for once it's ready to go to its new home. And there's just one that doesn't have a home yet. Get off my ear, you. Hey, you. Stop that. Cheeky bird. Don't bite my ear. No. Thank you. That's nice, huh? Hey, stop that.